Ramlal Patil, general manager of Indo German tool room, always had a clear goal to lead an organization. Back in college, the concept of startups was unheard of, but he knew one thing for sure: he wanted to become a CEO. Through relentless hard work and dedication, he turned that dream into reality.
We started with very small dice, with small technologies, very first day. From that day, we added everything on a feather. We started everything, complicated things. And day by day, we made our image in the market that Indo German tool room, Aurangabad, Chhatrapati Sambhaji is famous for handling a critical dice, complex dice, big size dice.
Across industries, many of his former students now hold leadership positions as managers, business owners, and senior executives. Seeing their growth and achievements reinforces his belief that
without education, you cannot change your mindset. Once you get education, next is your opportunity. So opportunity will get it succeed only with dedication, with hard work, with devotion, and accepting the changes with flexibility. After some time, after some years, I'll be again working for society. Whatever I have the skill or knowledge, I want to give to the needy people. Whomsoever wants to take it from me is free of cost.